In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the message not sending problem on Facebook Messenger. If you're trying to send a message and you keep seeing a loading circle, an error, or the message just won't deliver, don't worry. We'll walk through a clear set of checks and fixes you can try on your phone to get Messenger working again. First, let's start with the basics. Your internet connection. Messenger needs a stable connection to send messages. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and actually working. You can quickly test this by opening a browser or another app that uses the internet. If pages are slow or not loading, try turning airplane mode on for a few seconds and then off again. Or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, reopen Messenger. Close the app completely instead of just minimizing it. On most phones, you can do this from the Recent Apps screen by swiping Messenger away. Then open it again and try sending your message once more. This simple refresh can clear small glitches that were blocking your message. If that doesn't work, check whether Messenger itself is having issues. Sometimes, the problem isn't your phone at all. You can search online for Messenger down, or check a service status site. If many people are reporting problems at the same time, it may be a temporary outage and you'll need to wait until it's fixed. Now, make sure you're using the latest version of the Messenger app. Outdated versions can cause bugs, including messages not sending. Go to your device's app store, search for Facebook Messenger, and see if there's an update button. If there is, install the update, reopen the app, and test sending a message again. If the issue continues, try clearing the app's cache. On most Android devices, you can do this from the settings under Apps, then Messenger, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This does not delete your conversations. It just removes temporary files that might be causing errors. On iOS, you may need to reinstall the app to effectively clear its cache. Finally, if none of these steps work, log out of Messenger and log back in, or uninstall and reinstall the app. When you reinstall, sign in again and check if your messages now send normally. Follow these steps in order, test after each one, and in most cases, your Messenger messages should start sending again.